Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech with Ashutosh. Today we are going to learn one of the cool feature, a cool keyboard shortcut in iOS 17.3. So let me turn on the tab. You have to go and click on settings. After that settings, you need to go to general and then you need to go to keyboard. After going to keyboard, you have to click on this text replacement. So text replacement, how it works is, so whenever you write any shortcut, it will convert that into a new sentence. Like here, OMW, you can see it will change into on my way. So let's show the demo. I am typing OMW. Let's try OMW, and you can see the suggestion it is coming. And when I clicked space, it has converted into on my way. So let's do some other stuffs. Let's add few more things which I generally prefer. So you can add few more here. You click on this plus icon. Let's write the phrase like @gmail.com, and whenever I write @ng, it should take it to @gmail.com. So let's try and test. I will click on this search icon. I will write @ng, and as you can see, it has given me a suggestion of @gmail.com. I will click on the space bar and we will see this. So thanks for watching this video. Do comment your thoughts and do like and subscribe for more such information. Till then, goodbye.